Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever finished a long day of driving for Grab and just wanted to get your hands on that hard-earned cash? We've all been there. But waiting for your money can feel like forever, especially when you're unsure of how long the process actually takes. So, the burning question, how long does Grab really take to cash out? The answer, like most things in life, depends. But fear not, fellow Grab drivers. By the end of this video, you'll be a cash-out pro, knowing exactly when to expect those sweet Grab bucks in your account. Grab your wallet, we're diving in. First things first, there are two main ways to earn money with Grab: driving passengers, Grab car, and delivering food and packages, Grab food/Grab delivery. The cash-out process differs slightly for each, so we'll break it down by service. Grab car drivers, instant gratification or waiting game. Alright, Grab car drivers, buckle up. The good news is, you can ditch the waiting game entirely. Grab offers instant cash out, allowing you to receive your earnings up to 3 times a day on the same day. That's right, no more waiting until tomorrow, or the next, to access your hard work. There are, however, a few things to keep in mind. Minimum and maximum amounts. There's a minimum amount you can cash out at once, typically around $50. For larger sums, exceeding $8,000, the process might take up to 3 working days. Bank of choice. Here's a tip for the speed demons out there: cashing out to a Maybank account gets you the money the same day. For other banks, it might take an extra day to process. Grab food/delivery drivers, daily haul or weekly wait. Now, for our Grab food and delivery heroes. You might not have the instant gratification of Grab car drivers, but you still have plenty of flexibility. Grab allows you to cash out your earnings daily. The waiting time, however, depends on your bank. Same-day delivery. For the lucky ones with Maybank accounts, your cash hits your account by the end of the day. Next-day delivery. Almost for everyone else, expect your earnings to be in your account by the next working day. Beyond the basics, a few extra tips for speedy cash outs. Alright, so we've covered the core waiting times. But here are a few bonus tips to ensure your cash out goes smoothly and as fast as possible. Double check your bank details. A typo in your account number can cause delays and major headaches. Make sure everything is accurate before initiating a cash out. Stay updated on the app. Grab occasionally updates its policies and procedures. Keep an eye on the app for any announcements about changes to cash out times or processes. Contact Grab support if needed. If you encounter any issues during cash out, don't hesitate to reach out to Grab's support team. They're there to help. So, how long does the Grab wait really last? By now, you should have a clear picture of how long your Grab cash out will take. Remember, it depends on whether you're a Grab car driver, instant or same day, or a Grab food/delivery driver, same day for Maybank, next working day for others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.